331 BC. Alexander's army stands on an open plain, facing the largest force ever assembled against him. Persian King Darius III has hundreds of thousands of men. Alexander has a fraction of that. Darius chose this ground on purpose. He'd even leveled it in advance, clearing space for his massive cavalry and scythe chariots to overwhelm the smaller Greek force completely. Every advantage favored Persia. Alexander refused to fight the battle Darius designed. He marched his army at a sharp angle, pulling Persian forces out of position, stretching their line dangerously thin. Then he saw it. A gap opening in the center of the Persian formation. Alexander didn't hesitate. He led a direct cavalry charge straight through the gap, straight at Darius himself. Darius panicked. He turned and fled the battlefield first. The moment their king ran, his entire army collapsed into chaos. Hundreds of thousands of men broken, not by superior numbers, but by one leader losing his nerve. Alexander didn't win because his army was stronger. He won because he made Darius defeat himself.